Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shytoshi abruptly departed and vanished. Today in Shib news, a leading cryptocurrency exchange transferred around 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth over $250 million to a self-custody wallet using an unidentified Ethereum address. The Shib tokens were transferred from an Ethereum address that others can identify as being associated with the US crypto exchange Crypto.com to a new wallet, according to on-chain data published by crypto analytics company Sentiment. We'll talk about Shytoshi in this clip, who vanished without giving any prior notice. Shib news right now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. For the most recent information about Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert commentary, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The transfer was conducted in 6 separate transactions, and the whale has been aggressively accumulating ETH since March 1st. It currently owns 992 ETH in addition to its current 25 trillion Shib. The third largest Shiba Inu wallet in the world and the largest one that has not been confirmed as being a part of an exchange, according to the Daily Hodl, is now much larger thanks to the mammoth transfer to cold storage. According to data gathered by Whale Alert, the biggest transaction it ever saw was the $45 million transfer of 4.1 trillion Shib tokens to an unnamed wallet. It's unclear whether the transactions are being made by Crypto.com, which is transferring its Shib to a new wallet, or by another whale who is moving its tokens within the next 24 hours. The burn rate of the Shib token, which was inspired by a Shiba Inu, skyrocketed throughout the course of Monday and Tuesday, resulting in a staggering 453 million coins being burned, marking an extraordinary increase of 1,317%. Sending Shiba Inu tokens to an address without any recoverable private keys renders them useless and removes them from circulation permanently. This process is referred to as burning. By lowering the overall amount in circulation, this is frequently done to aid in the control of inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. Burning tokens is a community-driven campaign for Shiba Inu, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, to raise the currency's value. It is also thought to be an allusion to the custom in some Asian cultures of sacrificing paper money to the dead by burning it. Shibarium, the Layer 2 protocol for the ecosystem developed on top of Ethereum, has just gone into beta, and the Shiba Inu community is also enthusiastic about this development. As they continue to look for new opportunities for expansion, the Shiba Inu community is growing. Shib's beta version, which gave beta testers a peek inside the testnet, was launched last week. According to the fictitious Shib creator Shytoshi Kusama, the much-anticipated Shibarium is still in development. Shibarium is a Layer 2 protocol built on top of Ethereum. It might stay that way for 2 to 4 months while the team concentrates on creating better systems and tracking bugs. The Shiba Inu community is experiencing a fresh wave of excitement and curiosity as a result of these advances. Shibarium's introduction and the most recent transfer of Shib tokens demonstrate the community's ongoing interest and expanding significance in the cryptocurrency industry. It will be interesting to watch how these changes affect the Shiba Inu's future and adoption rate. 2 well-known ETH investors have amassed 1,022,047,313,193 Shib worth $10,898,378 through 2 distinct transactions in the last 24 hours, according to Whale Stats, a well-known blockchain statistics tracking tool. Per Whale Statistics, Fate completed the initial transaction. The incredible 899,999,734,985 Shib worth $9,611,997 was contributed by the 232nd largest ETH whale in a one transaction. Shortly after, the 122,047,578,208 Shib valued $1,286,381 were purchased by Blue Whale 73, the 254th largest ETH whale. following Crypto.com's usual custody operation, which sent 24,939,482,510,233 Shib worth $269,595,805 to a new address in order to ensure the safety and security of exchange wallets. A sizable whale accumulation occurred. Such significant accumulation from whales in an active market where Bitcoin is trading above $28,000 indicates that a significant price increase for Shib is imminent. The market is currently bullish over the short term, with BTC leading the altcoins, which may begin pumping when BTC stops pumping and consolidates at a particular price range. With the introduction of Shibarium's public beta, the demand for Shiba Inu has continued to rise, leading to a noticeably higher burn rate. According to Crypto Basic, during the course of the previous week alone, the Shiba Inu community destroyed 2,072,114,690 Shib through 290 different transactions. Shiba Inu's lead developer Shytoshi Kusama recently alluded to a groundbreaking development while discussing a meeting between Ted Shilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Jastrow, the advisor for the Shiba Inu Metaverse, during the Texas South by Southwest Festival in 2023. In the meantime, Kusama has categorized every member of the community as a Shiba Inu defense breed in order to counter a rising FUD effort against the project. Shim's indicators suggest that a rally may be on the horizon because both its 30-day moving average and relative strength index are in low levels as a result of a bullish correction. For instance, the coin had been oversold when its RSI fell to as low as 30 earlier in the month. And given that the indicator is currently slowly moving near 50, a recovery might start soon. Shib's 30-day has also been declining for a few days, bringing about the eventual rebound rally. Shib hasn't experienced the large increases achieved by BTC, ETH, and other major currencies in the past week, therefore it's completely conceivable that it will rally strongly soon, and there are many fundamental grounds to assume such a notion. Shibarium, the Layer 2 network developed by Shiba Inu, had its beta launch on March 11th and is expected to have its full public launch in the coming months. Shibarium will make it possible for users to utilize Shiba Inu and the numerous apps in its ecosystem much more affordably once it is completely launched, with transaction times speeding up and scaling up. As a result, it's anticipated to improve both the acceptance and utilization of the Shiba Inu ecosystem as well as Shiba Inu demand. Of course, there were problems with the beta launch, with some observers alleging that Rinia, a future blockchain that is now in the testnet stage, had stolen its chain ID. Developers of Shibarium answered the accusations right away. For Shibarium's beta network, Caldiaria tweeted that chain IDs were chosen at random and that no duplication was intended. In order to dispel any concerns that Layer 2's team is merely replicating other networks, Daria also stated that his team would be redeploying a new Shibarium beta network with a different chain ID. Despite this denial, the price of Shib hasn't recovered much from its decline after the surfacing of the aforementioned charges, and it continues to trail several other important tokens. Despite this, Shib has climbed the market cap ranks this month, moving from 15th early in March to 14th approximately a week ago. This demonstrates the consistent growth it experiences, which might continue after Shib the Metaverse is released. Although there isn't a set date for the introduction of this virtual world with Shiba Inu themes, it is generally believed that it will happen before the year is over. Recent updates from its team have included early footage of one of the distinctive regions of the metaverse. The 100,595 buyable territories in the metaverse's globe will be opened over time, according to the game's creator Shib. This includes 36,431 lands that will be made public during its initial phase, 32,124 of which will be put up for sale. These will be divided into many districts according to flavor and graphic design. The metaverse presents itself as the convergence of the futures of business, gaming, and entertainment. Given how this platform will operate, it is still reasonable to predict that Shib will experience some sizable price increases over the year. It currently only has a return of about 80 cents, but in the coming months, It may easily record returns of between $15 and 20 cents. Many people are actually holding out for much greater benefits. Others are aiming for $0 or even higher. This is quite ambitious, but there's little question Shib will eventually see some enviable returns if Shiba Inu's scheduled launches all go as planned. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.